What's going on, mother? It's been a minute, I know, but I'm back, and I'll tell you for why I've been away, show you what I've been doing, and then we're going to get into something, and I'll tell you about my catastrophic fucking mess up on the wall over there, trying to clean this fucking second-hand fucking sofa. I've just finished watching the end of Clarkson's Farm, the 5th one, bless him. So in honour of the main man himself, I've got myself a Hawkston cider. Fuck me, it's good. Cheers. Hope you get well soon, mate. It's actually really nice. I've had that before. Cheers, guys. Would you like to see a catastrophic fuck up on my part completely because I've been decorating? Can you see it? Can you see it? Fucking everywhere. So I painted all the walls. This is what I'm trying to achieve, right? This is the goal. Welcome to the channel. My name is Joe Mills. I'm just doing a bit of everything right now, just making sure that everyone knows I'm still alive. And keeping fucking busy. You know, mental health, all the rest of it. You've got to keep yourself busy. Oh, and a friend of mine as well had a YouTube channel for many years. And he's closed it down. Well, he did close it down because he said there was too many people giving him negative comments and stuff. Him and his missus. And really? You closed it down? I said, why? I told him that the most negative thing about the internet, and this is true, is that it gives people a voice who shouldn't ordinarily be listened to. So I just told him to do what everyone else does, turn your comments off, or just block people. And he has done. And hopefully he's going to be back at it very soon. And if he is and he does and everything's as it was, I'm going to share the channel and hopefully you guys can go over and show some love. But yeah, I've been painting, trying to create this image, which is GPT. Shh, don't tell anyone. Actually, it is. I like it. I really, really like it. Doing it on a budget, mind you, has been a bit of a fucking struggle. I've got a second-hand sofa, custom-made shelves that I've made myself from an old drawer. There's another one to go up. Would you like to know what I've done? Yeah, I was giving the old sofa a carpet clean and a scrub, and it's got a trigger button. And as I've gone to the top, I've gone, oh yeah, that's looking really good. That's properly working. Sprayed on the walls. I was gonna originally see if I could get away with 2 coats, which that was. And I thought, you know what, if I do 3, it's gonna look even better. And then once that was kind of dry, I thought, no, I'll get away with 2. That looks all right. It's gonna now be 3. The sofa's come up really good. I'm chuffed with that. Well, I'll show you the colour of the fucking water. Look at the state of that. Disgusting. So anyway, I've fucking spent hours doing that. Look at it, it's still wet, it's shimmering with the amount of soap I've put in. But I'm still doing bits and pieces in the house as well as the garden. I want to give you a tour, but I haven't done much more out there, so I don't want to show you the same stuff. I've been told to stop swearing recently on YouTube. Not even by YouTube, by some friends of mine. Fuck you. No, yeah, I've just been cracking on. I've been trimming doors, painting doors, all the rest of it. And what do you think to this tiling? I say tiling, it is. Fucking ignore the walls. That was my mistake, right? Look at this for tiles. Oh, Sleepy can go so. Oh, the baby. Oh, the little baby go. She's just eating half a chicken, strawberries, rice, blueberries. She's happy. These tiles, right, I've done the fucking whole way round. Look, I've done all of it. Looks the dog's bollocks, I think. Well, it will when it's all done, like, and it's all completed. It looks just like the picture. For anyone wondering what they are, they're these. You just stick them on. They're self-adhesive polystyrene. I mean, don't fucking get me wrong. They do. This is my freezer. I need to find a new home for it. Yes, I've got a fridge as well, but I also got a deep freeze for all that reduced meat that you get that you save for winter. It's an investment, isn't it? But yeah, look, they, yeah, don't lift your freezer up and drag it. Oh, there's black paint on there and all. Don't lift your new freezer up and drag it across the wall because it will tear. Apparently, you can get a type of paint. I just made that up. I don't know if you can. I'm hoping that you can get a type of paint No, I did chat GPT and it did say that you can get one that hardens and it will make it less likely that they will tear, given that I've got a dog and possibly might be getting a little cat, might be getting a little kitten as well, who's going to claw the fuck out the walls, I know, but yeah, I'm going to have one more roller and brush around here. That's looking pucker. I'm chuffed to bits with that. In you go. Are you chuffed with that? Are you chuffed with that? Are you chuffed with it as well? Are you? Good girl. Hi. Now my dog used to be on Raw, right? Now listen to this. True story. She was on Raw and she weren't happy. She was coming across depressed and sad and miserable, and she'd pick at it and walk off and come back half hour later, and it'd be in summer, it'd have flies on it and shit. So that was really crap. So I've now got into the habit of doing a proper shop for her, fruit, vegetables, everything she needs, including all the fish oils and the powders that need to go on the top to obviously maintain her health and her weight and all the rest of it. She's coming up 46 kilos. She's not a small girl. She's fucking amazing. I fucking love this dog. But I was in a shop the other day and I saw that. That's a veiny. It's a female pig's ear. What do they call that? I can't remember what they call that, but she won't touch it. This damage here is to do with the puppy. Nothing to do with her. She keeps trying to resuscitate it. I don't know why. She's just not in the mood to eat it. So all of her food I have to cook, and I'm not kidding you. I'm trying to give her a proper diet, as I think everyone who has a pet should be doing, looking into the right nutrition for her and stuff, along with the exercise that she gets, and making sure that she is happy and healthy and all the rest of it. This is her support pig, because that was fucking well loud headphone users. Yeah, that's her little, I don't know, I give her the ear and she fucks off with a pig, but I don't know. I digress. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, as rooms go, yes, I need another coat of paint, and I'm going with the colour scheme of dark blue. I don't know what the actual name of it is. It's dark blue with a gold, bronzy theme with whites and creams to match the blind and all the rest of it. I've done similar in the hallway. Again, not complete. Don't judge my work. This is only a little bit of, ooh, what does this look like? Am I going to be happy with this? I just thought when you come through my door, it would be nice if this was all matching. Unfortunately, whoever was here before had this wallpaper that your mum had or your gran had or someone had in the old days. I don't even mean that long ago. I'm 35 and I remember this being on the walls. It's left its fucking mark. So I had to get some wallpaper, and I've wallpapered this wall ready for another cutting of blue, and it kind of matches, it kind of ties in. So then, yeah, it's like an extension of the living room. I don't know, I like it. That's all. And I've got my bathroom, my sexy bathroom. You got like naked women, and it's very, very sexy. And if you come down here, you'll find a very sexy, about 80 quid's worth of antihistamines because of the allergies and all the rest of it. But yeah, man, I said in the last video I was struggling. I went to the doctor and they said, yeah, well, everyone's struggling. We'll give you a prescription for something. When I went in, I got left with a carrier bag. So I don't know why she didn't tell me she was going to give me everything, but she ended up giving me everything. And I'm more than happy about that. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm still kicking about. I know this is like a nothing vlog, but it's a something vlog for me. It's something back out there. And I want to do some cooking as well, because I've given this another paint. I don't know if anyone else does this. I was like, what colour does the door need to be? Like, if the kitchen's green, come here. And then you close the door. Should it not, that's only have one coat. Should it not match? Ladies. Vintage, it's not porn. Should it not match? I think it should. That's why I've done it. I don't know. But we'll jump out there, we'll have a little look and all. Broad beans. Over the top of the canes. And I've spoke to friends who are growing broad beans as well. And they're like, oh, we've been harvesting for weeks. Including Catherine, shout out to you, my dear. Harvesting for weeks. Weeks! My flowers are only just dying. But yeah, I want to get something on in the kitchen. I'm thinking, because I went to the butcher's earlier, obviously to look at food for the dog. I know it's dear, but the supermarkets are dear. Everything's fucking dear. There's no cheap meat available for human consumption or animal consumption unless you just buy shit. And I don't want to feed her shit or me shit. I'm still on this weight loss mission, if you wondered. Doing all right. I asked how much ham was, because I had like ham made, like fresh, where they slice it. And I was like, how much is that? And he said, how much do you want? And I said, I don't know, like 6 slices. And he says, what, thin or thick? I said, like for a ploughman's, like a proper ploughman's where you got a bit of ham in there. And he was like, oh, I'll have to cut it. And I was like, oh, don't worry about it then, mate. And then someone walked in and said, oh, we just sold 6 slices. It was about 12 quid. 12 fucking quid for a bit of ham. No. So I bought myself, I think it was £3.50, like a budget supermarket little gammon. I'm going to make my own ham. Bit of honey, bit of mustard, maybe an hour or two. I'm going to slice that up, put it in some nice bread. I might even make the fucking bread, because I'm going to have to paint this room again and wash it fucking dry. Give myself something to do for a couple of hours before I then probably have to give it another, maybe a 4th coat, I don't know. But what do you think? What do you think to the original image? What do you think to how I'm doing? This paint, by the way, is 10 quid a tin, which I don't think is too bad, because it's like, it really is one coat. As long as you don't spray the fucking walls. I've got 2 tins. This is 1 so far. Obviously, I've only done half the walls. The tiles work out about 12p each. Oh, and I've got a problem. When I brought my freezer through the door, it wouldn't quite fit. So I just pushed the freezer and the door went like this. And I was like, oh, that's all right. It fits now. Don't judge my work. This is 1 coat. I can scratch that off. And this isn't me. Watch this. Look. Hello. Because the tiles are so thin, I can get away with a bit of filler on there and then just stick a new one on. Obviously, I'll have to put a doorstop on, because I don't know, whoever fits doors and don't put doorstops on, but there's nothing there at all. I will fit something on there, but another coat of paint, which is going to take me another hour or 2, best part of 2. And then we're going to get into a proper, what I would consider, honey roast ham ploughman's sandwich. Sounds like shit, but come on, if you like pickles and you like meat and you like good food and all the rest of it, then you need to come back and watch it. Make sure to subscribe as well. Thumb up this video, hype it, do all the jazz, get the channel growing, which helps me out a lot, and I'm really grateful. Thank you very much. Yeah, and I'll see you all in that video. Fucking eyes are starting to swell up now because I just went out in the garden just before I turn the camera on, but it's allergies, isn't it? It's just that time of year. So look after yourselves. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the ham vlog, which sounds shit. But if you don't know how to make your own ham, come back and watch it and you might learn something. You might not.